survive.
From among the hundreds who were called,
14 will emerge, 7 future heartthrobs, and 7 female teen idols.
Survive, starstruck. Come on, everybody, they're ranking stars. They'll have it in the giving, and they won't go back. The dream, believe, survive, starstruck. Dream, believe, survive. Yeah, hey. Dream, believe, survive.
At sa huli, only 2 will survive.
Rin ang kwento ng Final 14. Si Katrina nga lang ang walang maikwento eh.
Well, that's because sa kanilang lahat, si Katrina lang ang hindi nag-audition. Ito ang sikreto ni Katrina.
Nasa Eastwood ako, kumakain lang ako. Tapos may lumapit sa akin na staff ng Starstruck. Oo lang ako na hindi ko alam.
At yan ang nagpasok kay Katrina sa Circle of 60.
And we've talked about it, and it's like, maybe nakita mo ba yung article, gusto ko na daw ng DNA test. That, parang sa amin din, ma'am, because why would we let that affect us? What's important is us, and what's important is that we're gonna support the baby, and yeah, that's it, yeah.
Chris at 28 at Katrina at 26, wala raw dudang kapwa na sila handa sa mas malalaking responsibilidad.
Yes, I think I am. I want to be able to play basketball with my son.
Tungkol naman sa paglilihi, Chris did his research.
It's a good thing that I talked to some of my friends na they've had yung mga nagka-baby na, and they keep saying, pare, ganyan talaga. So, sige, okay, it's fine. Because, from me, it's like, I want to be there for her, I want to support her, I don't want her to move so much, I don't want her to do so. Pero sabi niya, babe, gusto ko lang magluto. Bakit? Sobrang hilig niya ngayon magluto, which is true. It's good for me kasi masarap ng kinakain ko lagi. She's become a very good cook. Super, galing.
Tungkol naman sa usapang kasal, iisa ang damdamin ni na Chris at Katrina.
Wedding plans, we've talked about that. We almost did. Her father talked to me, her mother talked to me, my mom called and said, anak, both sides, both parties, they want us to get married. So we talked about it. And we both agreed that we will know when the time is right. Just because the baby was rushed doesn't mean we should rush into it as well. So as of now, we're gonna take care of the baby. We're actually ngayon pa lang we're preparing. I've already opened an account for the baby. Yung pang-deliver ng baby nandyan na. Siguro first 6 months ng gatas nandyan na. Last week I went shopping. I found myself in the baby section and I already got some baby clothes. So,
Like most first-time dads, umaasa si Chris na lalaki ang kanyang panganay.
para may magdala ng pangalan ko. Pero sa ngayon, feeling ko babae siya kasi sobrang ganda ni Kat ngayon. Sobrang blooming po siya. Names, yes. Christina, para Chris and Katrina. If a boy, I've always wanted lyric. Parang lyrics ng kanta. And dati kung babae, gusto ko melody.
Ilang bagong silang na baby ni Katrina Halili. Ikinuwento ng R&B singer na tuwang-tuwa siya nang una niyang makita ang kanyang little princess.
The baby's so cute. The baby's healthy. Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Maybe I'm biased, but sobrang cute siya. She's got a head full of hair. Yeah. Her eyelashes, ang haba ng eyelashes, parang naka-curlash na.
Kamukha daw ni Katrina ang baby at mas inspired daw ngayon si Chris at determinado para sa kanyang mag-ina.
We're happy. And it's true. Talagang nawawala talaga yung pagod mo. No matter how tired you are, let's say, kanina umaga, it was like 6 or 7, wala pa akong tulog. I was dozing off. I was already going into dream state. Because I heard her cry. I woke up and then as soon as I looked at her and I said, "Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?" Nawala. I was awake. I was wide awake. Well, I just wanted to see.
At si Katrina naman, nag-uumapaw ang tuwa sa pagdating ng kanilang baby girl.
Happy po happy. Pero sabi nila medyo kamukha ka daw po.
Katrens ang pangalan ng kanilang baby, halaw sa pinagsamang pangalan ng kanyang magulang. Ilang kaibigan
Happy birthday to my daughter. You're my shining star. My precious little girl. I've watched you grow and blossom into a beautiful flower. And I couldn't be prouder.
Toys R Us and Morning. I'm getting me Toys R Us.
Toys R Us more than Mama?
Mama more than Toys R Us.
Today's all about you, it's your special day. I'll shower you with love and blessings and celebrate your life in every way. I remember the day you were born, the joy and awe that filled my heart.
Wow!
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes lang. Ah! No! Don't move! I will look at your eyes, baby. I will look at your eyes. I love you so much. So don't move. Do not move. Ang hirap naman ito. Binat aroy. Taping, baby. I can't go to taping because I'm sick.
About Monday.
I don't have taping din because I'm sick na. Paano mag-taping sa mga
Paano ng Netflix sa Monday?
Netflix pa yung inintindi mo?
Mama, parang galing ka. Pag walang music.
Walang Netflix. Walang work si Mama. Work. Pwede kay Papa Jesus para maka-work na dali.
Papa Jesus, naka-work na si Mama sa Monday. Wala po bukas. Darating si Tito Shina bukas.
Take care mo ako tonight.
Mama, anong oras darating siya?
I don't know, baby.
Mga 8.
Kiss me.
Sabi ni Tito Sheena,
I love you.
wala kang taping.
I don't have taping, baby. I can't go to taping because I'm sick.
Net, about Monday.
Cute naman.
Very good.
Ay, cute naman.
Absolutely.
I love you. Say I love you.
What do you want to
Say I love you.
And
Gusto niya I love you.
What?
Wab.
Love?
I love
I love
you.
Cause you are the reason every ocean just to be happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy
Thank you po.
We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life.
Yay! Tapos na yung birthday ko, guys. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng nanood. Ayan, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, please like, comment, and subscribe!
Talaga, kasi ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay ko para maapektuhan pa ako sa kanila. Kakaiyak naman. Parang di ako matatapos magdasalita. Kaya din naging open na din ako kay Chris kasi
At least that means that you learn something, and then you'll be able to apply that to your guys' chemistry together.
nag-start yung co-parent siyempre nung naghiwalay na kami. Nag-start na, di ba?
Yeah. Started 2014. Good question. Ladies first.
Akala ko pa na, alam mo, nung sinabi niya good question, sa isip ko, buti naman makapag-isip pa ako. Siguro yung pinaka-importanteng natutunan ko, communication sa amin dalawa. Para, syempre, para kay Katie, di ba? Mas magandang magtulungan kami. Syempre, may mga bagay ako na hindi alam na siya, may mga bagay siya matuturo sa amin, di ba? So, pag nag-combine kami, di mas magiging okay. Ako, siguro yun yung natutunan ko.
May kanya-kanyang role. It's important to know your roles. Like I said before, parang mas maganda kilala mo sarili mo, so that way when you know yourself, you know what you can teach the kid. We both have our strengths that we can teach Katie. Yeah, there's some things that she can teach Katie, and there's some things that I can teach Katie that she cannot. So I think it's better when it works together, kasi the father's love is different from the mother's love. Sa umpisa, kailangan talaga ng mother's nurturing. So pag may isip na si Katie, medyo malaki na siya, she's 13, she kind of knows what she wants in life. That's usually when the father comes in and teaches her like life skills and experience. So, yeah, parang ganun.
Energy! Oh! Napasobra! Sobra ha?
Dapat kumanon ka, kasi pag ako dito.
Oh.
Go, go, go! Come on. Closer po. Please naman, go. Mukha ka pumilapit dito.
When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give anymore. Can't live if living is without you. Can't give
Eyes on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me, and baby, when the control fire, it's buried in my soul. A California cold. You found the light in me I couldn't find.
You have to bow first. Say thank you, everybody.
Do you know who's Mr. B?
My papa.
How did you know?
Miss B, mom. Mr. B, my dad.
How did you know, my love?
I know everything.
Oh my God, later. Talk tayo ulit. May tumatawag lang. My God, nakakatakot yung I know everything. Dahil nga sinabi mo kanina, you know everything. Like what?
Mr. B, my dad. Miss B, my mom.
How did you know that?
You're my family.
Ay, of course, you're my family.
Yes.
Are you happy na magkakasama tayo?
Yes po.
Paano pag minsan di natin kasama si Papa mo, okay lang?
Yes.
Happy ka na magkakasama tayo, ako, Papa mo, and you?
Yes.
How's our Palawan?
It's good. Nag-swimming din ako marami sa dagat. Island hopping. Kasama ko ang mama at papa ko.
Bakit wag na natin gagawin yung kiss forehead, ha?
Okay.
Ganyan na lang, ikaw na lang gumawa. Gawin mo, tingnan mo, gawin natin yung AI,
Mga my loves, papakita ko sa iyo yung AI.
Ikaw na lang si Papa mo. Paano ba yun? Diba? Bakit mo pa ako papakis sa Papa mo? No na. Ha? Ha?
Okay. Pati yung AI ganito.
Parang... No! Sino yun?
Si Papa.
Sinong kinis niya?
Ikaw.
Ay, ayoko nung ganun. Bakit gusto mo?
It's funny eh.
Ay!
Mama, Papa, thank you po sa cologne ko at sa balm. Salamat po sa pagbebenta nyo. Hindi po kasi ako pwede sumama eh. Mama, my loves, bili-bili.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Grabe.
Congratulations po! Thank you so much po! We love you! I love you! I love you!
Hawak mo. Sino may hawak ng beat, kuya?
I see you every day in the morning light. You're my reason why everything feels right.
Closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. With a little smile, a special smile. Twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and Closer I get to touching you, closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. With a little smile, a special smile. Twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer.
Ako din pag-uwi sa back, buong back, please.
Sweet ni Katie. Nakikita niya na sakit ng
Buti pa si Papa mo, massage mo. Anak, sana si Mama din next time.
Wala ka din sakit eh.
Ang sweet ni Katie, oh. Minamassage niya din ako.
Yan na.
Aray! Ang sakit, anak na to.
Dapat huwag ka na mag-snap.
Anak, ito ang sakit po. Thank you, anak. Love you. Pero mas Mother's Day ngayon, kaya ang sakit talaga.
Acting lang ka?
Ouch. Thank you, anak. I love you.
I love you.
Sobra.
Dana? Last mo na yan, di ba?
Oh, ano? One more.
Konnichiwa.
What is konnichiwa?
Hello. Kinky desu ka?
What is kinky desu ka?
How are you?
Next.
Konbawa.
What's konbawa?
Good evening.
What else?
Dana. Last mo na yan, di ba?
Oh, ano? One more.
Are you gonna put money in it?
Maninat, ha?
Are
hot.
Yeah, we're here already, diba?
Yung one of my crush.
Ah! No crush!
How old na dapat ako magiging crush?
25. Pwede na sa 25.
Yan ang pusong nagmamahal. Ibalik ang walang mag-isa, walang mag-isa. Sayang ang ating nakaraan.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.